Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to send a one-time viewed video on Telegram with the latest update. Whether you want to share something private or just keep your chat a little more secure, this feature makes sure your video disappears once it's watched. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. Once you're inside, go to the chat where you want to send your video. It could be a private conversation or a group chat. This works the same way for both. Next, tap the paperclip icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens all your media options. Here, you can either choose a video from your gallery or record a new one right from your camera. Just pick the clip you want to send or capture a fresh one if you prefer. Now, before sending it off, look at the preview screen. You'll see a small timer icon shaped like a stopwatch near the bottom corner. Tap on that icon to open the self-destruct options. This is where the magic happens. From there, choose View Once. This setting ensures your video can only be watched one time by the recipient. After they view it, the video automatically disappears from both chats. It's a simple but powerful privacy tool for those moments you'd rather not leave behind a trace. After selecting View Once, tap Done to confirm your choice. Now you're ready to send. Just hit the send button, the little arrow icon, and your one-time view video is on its way. And that's it. Quick, easy, and secure. With this feature, Telegram gives you better control over your media privacy. So next time you want to share something personal or sensitive, you'll know exactly how to send it safely. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with friends who use Telegram and stay tuned for more quick tutorials that keep you up to date with the app's latest features.